Today is 9/2/23, and we have a 2000 RAV4, and here's a summary of what we need to do left. So the main part is we need to put another cat in, and that cat, we have a cat already, but the ending point stops here. So we need to buy a resonator, basically this guy that finishes that bend, and then we can connect to the cat. We were able to take out these two bolts, which is like a miracle, and now we got to find another 14 millimeter bolt that'll go through here, and the threads need to match this thing right here, so we need to keep that in the car.
No, I have the top one.
Okay, and then the other thing we need to do is we need to get another O2 sensor, and this O2 sensor has already been figured out how to get to, and then this grommet's already pushed out, and all you got to do is open the front passenger side, go underneath the carpet, and the connector is already pulled out. Just buy the right O2 sensor with a 4-wire, and I took a picture of the connector or a video of it, and then so that's done. We also found 2 air leaks out of this tire. It was only down to 10 psi, and we did a plug for it, so it's around 2 or 3 o'clock. So around here was the plug and another plug, so about one here, and that should last us, and so that should be good. The next thing is there is an oil leak, but we haven't looked into that. And what else we need to talk about? This was put back today, so that's good. I think that is it for the car. Anything else you can think of?
No, I mean, there's the gasket that needs to go in the back there, but
Oh, we need a gasket here?
yeah. I have it as also in the car, but if I'm going to buy a new resonator, I'm probably going to come with it.
Okay.
Other than that, we're good.
All right. Done.